Hi everyone and welcome back, it's James. Today I'm going to teach you how to teach your Japanese students the question, what do you think of? To say that in Japanese is, これについてどう思いますか? Or どう思う? I'll have that written. And I'm going to show you some flashcards. These are Japanese foods. Let me break them up. I have tofu, natto, soba, tempura, sushi, rice balls, and udon. So, this is the way I would teach this question. Everyone look at James, look at James. And I would write the question, what do you think of? Do you understand this question? What do you think of? Okay, good. You recognize the word think. Yes, kangaeru. Good. But what do you think of means これについてどう思いますか? Okay? I want my students to answer it three ways. I like it, I love it, and I don't like it. In the future, I'll add more. But these are the three ways I want my students to answer it. So, I would write that on the board. I like it, それが好きです. I love it. Notice that I emphasize love. それが大好きです. And I don't like it. Making this frown shows the negativity of this answer. I don't like it. それが好きじゃない. 嫌いです. All right? Okay, so what do you think of tofu? What do you think of tofu? I like it. I love it. I don't like it. Oh, you like it? You like it? You don't like it. Oh, and James? I like it. Okay, next one is, what do you think of natto? What do you think of natto? Oh, I love it. I love it. I like it. I'm sorry, I don't like it. Yes, I'm not used to it. What do you think of soba? What do you think of soba? I don't like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, and James? I like it. What do you think of tempura? Oh, you don't like it again? That's two things you don't like. I like it. I love it. And James, I love it. Yeah, I love it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What do you think of sushi? What do you think of sushi? I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, everybody loves it. And James, I love it. What do you think of rice balls? I like it. I love it. I love it. Oh, and James, I like it. What do you think of udon? What do you think of udon? I love it. Oh, you don't like it? Really? Wow. And I love it. And James? Especially in the winter. It's very cold during the winter. Brrr. And that's the way I would teach, what do you think of? And teachers, go ahead and expand on these words. I'm just using relatable cards. You can talk about anything, animals. You can talk about subjects, animals, whatever. And that's the way I would teach, what do you think of? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.